In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in MS Paint. Whether you need a smaller picture for an email or an exact size for a profile photo, Paint makes this quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your image in Paint. You can launch Paint, go to File and Open to browse to your picture, or simply drag the file onto the Paint window. Give the image a moment to load so you can see it on the canvas. With your image open, make sure you're on the Home tab. Look for the Resize button in the image group, or press Ctrl and W on your keyboard to open the Resize dialog. This is where all the sizing happens. You'll see two ways to resize, by percentage or by pixels. Choose percentage when you just want to scale the picture up or down evenly, like reducing it to 50% of the current size. Choose pixels when you need exact dimensions, such as a width of 800 pixels. Pick the option that fits your goal. Next, type in the new size. If you're using percentage, enter the percent in the horizontal box and Paint will match the vertical value automatically. If you're using pixels, enter either the new width or height. Be sure the box labeled Maintain Aspect Ratio is checked. This keeps the image from getting stretched or squashed by automatically adjusting the other dimension. If you turn it off, you can force any size, but the picture will likely look distorted. When you're happy with the numbers, click OK to apply the change. Keep in mind that making an image larger than the original can reduce sharpness. Shrinking usually preserves quality better. Finally, save your resized image. To keep the original safe, go to File, choose Save As, and pick your preferred format. Give the new file a clear name so you can tell it apart, like adding Resized to the end. JPEG is a good choice for photos, while PNG is ideal for graphics with sharp edges or transparency. If the result isn't quite right, press Ctrl and Z to undo and try different values. A couple of small adjustments is often all it takes. That's all there is to it. Opening the file, using Resize with either percentage or pixels, keeping Maintain Aspect Ratio on, and saving a new copy with Save As.